On Saturday, the United States government announced plans to organize a charter flight for its citizens stranded in Haiti amidst escalating gang violence gripping the nation. Simultaneously, Guatemala reported that the officers of its honorary consul in Haiti were looted amid the ongoing clashes. The US State Department revealed that the charter flight would evacuate individuals possessing valid passports from Haiti, departing from Cap Haitien International Airport. However, due to prevailing violence, travel capacity is restricted. Officials cautioned that the journey from the Haitian capital, Port-au-Prince, to Cap Haitien would be perilous and advised potential travelers to assess their safety before considering the flight. Cap Haitien, situated approximately 193 kilometers north of Port-au-Prince, is relatively less chaotic. In response to the security threats, the US has deployed troops to safeguard the American embassy in Haiti. Haiti has been engulfed in a surge of violence following calls from gangs for Prime Minister Ariel Henry's resignation. Amid the absence of a clear succession plan, attacks have persisted across various parts of Port-au-Prince. The prolonged violence has pushed Haiti's populace to the brink of famine. On Friday, the Guatemalan Foreign Ministry reported the ransacking of its honorary consul's offices in Haiti, refraining from detailing the extent of the damage. This incident occurred amidst ongoing unrest. The ministry mentioned that only individuals with documentation spanning the past 4 or 5 years had been previously transferred to the Guatemalan embassy in the neighboring Dominican Republic. Prime Minister Henry finds himself stranded in Puerto Rico as heightened violence prevents his return to Haiti. Reports indicate clashes between law enforcement and gangs in the Delmas area, a stronghold of the G9 alliance led by Jimmy Barbecue Cherizier. Meanwhile, the humanitarian crisis in Haiti worsens, with approximately 1.4 million Haitians teetering on the edge of famine and over 4 million requiring food assistance, according to aid organizations. UNICEF has issued warnings of unprecedented hunger and life-threatening malnutrition in the capital's poorest and most perilous neighborhoods. The UN agency further highlighted that 1 in 4 children across Haiti suffers from chronic malnutrition or stunting.